probably one of the best white builds that you can get under 2,700. Follow me. So we're gonna start off the motherboard with the CPU inside. This is Ryzen 7 7800 X3D. So this is our internal stuff, I guess. We just need the motherboard only. It's sealed very nicely. Oh, the smell is so good. This is fully brand new, really advanced motherboard. It's like, looks really nice, so good. So firstly we're gonna put the CPU inside this bad boy, and here's our CPU is ready. Yes sir. And the next thing we need to do is to put our SSD. It's 1 terabyte Gen 4 SSD. We're removing the panel, then we put it in here just like that. Remove the protection layer and it's ready. And now we gotta unbox the crazy case. It's Lian Li White O11 Dynamic. God damn, I can't do it from the first try. Wait, so it's done. Second, and hell yeah, this is our bad boy. No, it's done. Yeah, wink. Then we put it down. And take out this side. Okay. Again, by the request of our customer, we gotta remove this top panel because it doesn't look that good, but it's okay. We're just gonna replace it to the normal one. So first we need to remove all the glass because I got traumatized from breaking the glass so many times, and it actually happened to me a couple of times, and holy shit, I just almost forgot to remove the sticker and then try to unclip. Doing this is 1, 2, 3. Please, come on. This is so tough. By the way, I don't know how long should I make the videos for, but it's fine. Let me know in the comments what your build is and how do you prefer to see the content, I guess. Bruh. Come on. Like that bolt. I'm not picking it up. Come on. Hooray, we're done. I think so. Oh yeah, we are. Indeed done. So now we're just gonna put it back into the box. Yep. And then the rest of the bolts we're also gonna put in the same thing. Yeah, so this is gonna be like this. Yeah, that looks very nice. Okay. Here, I also want to... No, actually I don't want to. It's fine. Then we need to take out the two bottom. 1 and 2. We need to remove this piece, and then later we remove all the panels, to be fair. Then I remember it's somewhere here. Yep. 1. Take this shit out. And then yeah, never mind, I'm not removing this. The next thing we're gonna unbox is this ID cooling with LCD screen. It's like damn cheap actually. It was only like $100 I think, but I got it on promotion for like $95 or so. Oopsies. Time to unbox it. 1, 2. Yep. So yeah, this is our I think I can just unbox it just like that. That looks pretty nice. So now we need to remove our fans because we're gonna be putting our custom fans. So we're just gonna take it apart real quick. We gotta use something stronger, which is this. And now we just gonna put our fans. So for this build, I got all custom fans, and those are some modular China fans, but they're actually damn good. So it looks so nice, and it's way cheaper than Lian Li, but like not that cheap actually, but like, it's still slightly more affordable than actual Lian Li. And where's our wire? It's right here. So we gotta put it somewhere here. Then yeah, it's supposed to be, it looks pretty neat. So now we're just gonna put all the screws in. Time to put it back on. Okay, so we need to screw back on all the... Time to screw all the... Now it's time to screw all the possible screws right here. Should be nothing hard. Now it's time to mount the fans for the case. So we're just gonna put it like this. Yep, make it straight. And just use the drill to put it all together. So we're gonna start off. Okay, Okay, we're gonna, let me just adjust the angle. So 1, okay, 6, the 3 of our fans are put inside now, so now we can fit it all back into the case. However, before we do that, we need to put in this thing. God damn, I can't put it in. Okay, time to use the harder drill, I guess. Okay, with this one, everything is possible. This one is also being tough and doesn't want to go in, but it's not a big deal for me. So here our full thing is ready. Our entire block is so damn heavy actually. But yeah, now it's ready. And last but not least, we left with 2 more fans that we need to put into our case. So here we gotta put 2 more fans. What the fuck is this? Why is it dirty? I don't like it. Let's just use this one. Yoink. Here are the 2 last fans that we need to put in. So far it looks so good. I like it so much. Damn. God damn it. So we just mounted our fans. Now they're fully done. Yup. Now we're gonna put in the motherboard. Now it's time to put our motherboard inside. So it's very simple. We just need to just slide it in just like that. Wait, what the fuck? So for our motherboard, we just need to slide it in just like that. Very pretty and sleek motherboard. First we need to remove the sticker. Oh. So we just remove the sticker. Now here's the motherboard, and 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Bruh, those bolts. Now it's time to put our water cooling. So for this one, we gotta remove the original screws. Say what lucky bro, we gotta remove the original screws, 1 and 2. Then we, goddamn. Okay, so we gotta put this one in. Then we have to put it like this and this. And now we're just gonna install the CPU pump itself right now. And we're just gonna wrong side. Wait, 1 and then 2, just like that. And then screw it properly with my second tool. That's done. So hooray, our pump is fully installed right now. Now we're just gonna connect everything and install power supply, GPU, and then it's pretty much done. So building computers is actually nothing hard. It's very fun. We just need to remove all the wires right now. And then, yeah, let me do the cable management right now. Time to unbox the power supply. It's platinum 800 watts, I think. Yeah, 850 watts. It's more than enough for this system. So let's just unbox. I don't like this. So now let's just unbox it. This looks so nice. How many times did I say nice already? Okay. So it's very small. It smells so good once again. Oh, I like it. And then we have all the wires. It's very similar to Lianli style, by the way. So yeah, we're just gonna use them. So for this build, we'll need those are two CPUs, then one 600 watt and one motherboard cable. The rest we don't really need it. Now it's time to put the power supply into the case. No, actually I don't like this. Before we put the power supply into the case, we gotta like kinda connect the wires, I guess. So before we actually put the power supply into the case, we gotta connect all the wires. Everything is damn simple. PCIe. So 1, and then the last one 2. Okay, and it's ready to be installed. That's how it's being done, and now we're just gonna do some more cable management. Nothing like hard, but I won't show it to you. And this is probably one of the coolest shit that you can ever see. Like, not ever, but like, you know, come on. Guys, and I think this is one of the coolest things that you can see. We're gonna be unboxing RTX 5070 Ti. Yeah, just like that. And here's the box. It looks so nice. Yeah, gigabyte. I'm actually curious what's inside. Oh my god, we have a warranty card and 30 days of purchase. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's actually so cool. Damn, that's dope. I've never thought that RTX 5070 is actually this big. What the hell? So let's open it up. 1, 2, and 3. Bro, it's so big. What the hell? Oh, by the way, that wasn't me, by the way. It was like that. God damn. This looks so cool. Wow. So let's remove the peel. 1. And then where's the second part? Oh. Yes, guys, we are about to be done. Okay. We just left out with plugging this stupid GPU into this PC. Wait, what? Oh goddamn, it takes 3 PCIe slots. Here it goes, our giant GPU. And probably the last thing that we gotta do is just to plug in the cable and we will be done. I actually will be installing the white cable, but it will be a bit later, so yeah, don't judge too early before it's done. So yep, that's it, I guess. And now our build is fully completed, beside the wire that it will be installed slightly later, but it's fine. Wait, I don't like it. Here it goes. So later we'll be installing the RGB wire, but right now, just for the test, we're gonna leave it how it is because they still haven't came. We're gonna remove the peels and the work is gonna be done. So yeah, everything's pretty simple. Let's go. This is our almost final build. Let's just power it on, see if it starts. I hope it does. Of course it does. 3, 2. This is gonna be the first turn on. 3, 2, 1. God damn! Wow, that looks so good. What the hell? It works.